Hey fam, what a day. Got a flat tyre this morning, good way to start the day. And set up for graduation, set up for a colour run. Tomo behind the camera has joined. We are heading to a school graduation slash speech night. Yeah, we've done it for the last 4 years and we record it and then throw it to USBs. So we're just gonna drop off a speaker that's broken, the client speaker, get repaired, go pick up a hire for a video transmission link. Then we'll go bump in, so we'll see you soon. I know what you're all thinking. Oh my God, how'd he get so strong? He said if the lift stops, just don't touch anything. It takes about 10 minutes and it will start again. Hey, yo. Dunsky. Just reloading the van a little bit for Thomas tomorrow morning. But yeah, everything went as well as it could today, which is good news. I'm ready for bed. I think Tom's ready for bed too. So I'll see you on the next one. Peace.